Managing email sync on the Galaxy S24 helps you conserve battery life while ensuring you receive important emails promptly. This is how it's done. First, open the Settings app from your home screen. Next, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Under this menu, select Manage Accounts. Now, choose the email account you want to manage sync settings for. On the next screen, tap on Sync Account. Typically, email sync is enabled by default, but if it's turned off, simply toggle the switch to enable it. If the sync is already enabled and you want to manually sync your emails, tap the More Options icon in the top right corner, then tap Sync Now. However, if it only shows you Cancel Sync, it means that the sync was automatically started in the background, so just let your phone do its job. It will only take a few seconds to complete the sync. To ensure your emails are always up to date, go back to the Accounts page and scroll down. Make sure the Auto Sync Data option is toggled on. And that's how you manage email sync on your Galaxy S24. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides.